been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are at Sam's Club today. I'm thinking about making a sushi bowl, I believe it is. A sushi bake, maybe. So the sushi that I like to get is here. It's $24.99 though, for like six little pouches. Here's my niece. Say hey. She's pushing my baby, y'all. Crashing my baby into my leg. Bad driver. Alright. So these are the salmons that I get. Are they on sale? They on sale? I didn't get you all. Thank you.
Like I said, if you want to
I'm about to say she going, girl. Can I have another one? Can I have another one? Thank you.
I didn't say that they never come back to burgers.
They got burgers too. Thank you. Couple of the sample, sushi sample. Huh? Try to me to say
I got her salmon, I got my crab legs. Some peanuts.
My sushi bake. Yeah, we back at TJ Maxx. And I'm back in the baby section. Yep. And that's for y'all. I think my baby's eating, so I think I'm gonna get that. It's only $2, so we'll see. It says $8, Snicky. Oh, hold on, I think I see a list that's telling me how much we talking. The fact that I gotta put all this down just to get this thing in the bag, I hope it's a good price. They're gonna mess in these people's thing. They're gonna mess in these people's store. This is $5.50. Is it worth it? But my baby hates tummy time, y'all. That little baby was screaming and holler. So let me see. I don't know what they're doing. They clearancing, really clearancing for me. I like this one. Or have a man in love with
She said her back hurts because her waist, but she wouldn't.
or this one.
That one is nice. When you wanted, it got room enough for everything you wanted in the other one?
This one? Or this one? Yeah, I look a mess, I feel a mess. I don't even know what happened last night, but I ended up having a 24-hour bug, I believe. Girl, shut me up. Yeah, I ended up being sick, so I had to get my baby to, not give her, but like, have my sister and my mom watching after her. And my sister ended up getting sick. I don't know what the hell we done ate or what, I don't know, but we both got sick. And my mom ended up having to get my baby. I feel a lot better now. I'm just ready to get back to my baby. I miss my baby. Although she in the house with me, it's just like, I just miss cuddling with her. It's her little cheeks. Like, I miss my baby. So I'm out here doing our laundry now. Lysol the house, Lysol the room. Beach and clean. I I feel like 1,000% better. Big Daddy done put me some meds and some Pedialyte, so I'm feeling a lot better. I'm just scared to eat anything. My mom did pick me up some soup. I hope it's going. I hope it's past us. And yeah, girl, just doing my laundry now, trying to get back to my baby because you still gotta be a mother when you're sick. That's crazy, man. You still gotta be a mama. Anyway, let me get back to this place.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jack.